Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that has become a hot topic in recent years: dopamine detox. But before we get into that, let's first define what dopamine is. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in the brain's reward and pleasure centers. It's released in response to pleasurable experiences, such as eating good food, having sex, or achieving a goal. However, dopamine can also be artificially stimulated by certain activities, such as scrolling through social media, watching TV, or gambling. And when we engage in these activities too frequently, we can become addicted to the dopamine rush they provide. This can lead to a dopamine imbalance in the brain, which can cause a range of problems, including lack of motivation, difficulty sleeping, and difficulty feeling pleasure from other activities. So what can we do about it? That's where a dopamine detox comes in. A dopamine detox is essentially a period of time during which you abstain from activities that artificially stimulate dopamine in order to allow your brain's natural dopamine production to reset. This can help restore balance to the brain and improve your overall well-being. So how do you go about doing a dopamine detox? Here are a few steps you can follow. Identify your dopamine triggers. Take some time to think about the activities that you know stimulate dopamine in an artificial way. These could be things like social media, TV, or video games. Set a goal. Decide how long you want to do your detox for, whether it's a few days, a week, or even longer. Make a plan. Think about how you will fill the time you would normally spend on your dopamine triggers. This could include finding alternative activities, such as going for a walk, cooking a healthy meal, or spending time with friends or family. Monitor your progress. Keep track of how you're feeling during your detox. Do you feel more motivated? Do you sleep better? Do you feel more in control of your behavior? A dopamine detox can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By taking a break from activities that artificially stimulate dopamine, you can help restore balance to your brain and improve your overall well-being. Remember to be kind to yourself and take things one step at a time. And if you need support, don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or a mental health professional. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe for future content. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or ideas for future videos.